Hello, teacher. Nice to meet you. Good. My name is Javier Alejandro Navarrete. And I'm speaking the presentation in the Anglicisms in the English language. Introduction. In the following presentation that we have made and the research is about the Anglicisms, those words that we borrowed from the English language, that we adapt and relate them in the context of the Spanish language. And the objectives and the general objective and to learn the correct use that must be given to the Anglicisms and their relation that exists with the Spanish language. And the specific objectives, and specific no, objective one, investigate a little more about the Anglicisms that are used in the Spanish language and know the areas where Anglicisms are used in our Spanish language. What are Anglicisms in Spanish? The Anglicisms are words or modes of expression originate in the English language, but are commonly used in the Spanish language. That is a table of a nation. Is it the correct use them? No, it is not correct to use Anglicisms in our Spanish language, since it deforms the meaning of the contexts that are used in the language. Since we run the risk of deforming our of language and adopting more English language Anglicisms. How do they enrich Spanish? No more English than we think, since our language is played with Anglicisms. In addition, this word can help you better understand the context of other words, from the typical stop traffic scenes and parking to terms introduced and the continuous use of social networks. We use English every day. Thank you.
Hello, teacher. Good morning. My name is Melvin. I speak mention examples of Anglicisms in your field and communication. Example of English in the range of communication. For example, marketing, Gmail, playback, Instagram. Are some examples in communication. Where English is used in communication. The English in communication are used because there are words which were adopted from other countries and that are not ourselves, and that we give you another meaning. Was or from English to Spanish. In conclusion, the following presentation has I meant to be a small contribution to linguistics in relation to a study of English. Focus on the use. Let's study by research, as we mentioned at the beginning. We use a modern spontaneous conversation perspective.
Thank you, teacher. Thank you. Good bless.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye.